Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's get this video a like so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on Sundial growers. That's ticker symbol SNDL. We closed at $1.35 on Friday. We opened at 138. We hit a high of 149. The low was 131. The 52-week high was 396. The 52-week low was 13 cents. So on Friday, Sundial, whenever we open at 135, that 131, 130 is a very strong support. It's showing very strong support at that range. On the chart, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I mean about how every time it revisits that 130, 131 range, it's holding very strong. So I do see support there. I feel like next week we could see a nice push, a nice upward movement towards the $2 range, and we're gonna get more in the details on the chart towards the end. But let's go over this article. We got an article that came out Saturday. Let's see how that can affect Sundial growers. Let's see what's going on with that. So the article, y'all, let's check it out. Did Sundial growers just dodge a bullet? This was published February 27, 6:45 a.m. Sundial growers has taken its shareholders on a ride over the past few weeks. I want to show y'all just the important stuff out of this. A major merger or acquisition hasn't taken place just yet. And while investors may be disappointed that Sundial missed out on the opportunity to acquire Zenabis, was Sundial trying to buy Zenabis? There was quite a bit of drama involving Sundial and Zenabis. Over the past few months, it all started on December 30th, 2020, when Sundial acquired Zenabis senior debt through an acquisition of special purpose vehicle. Days later, Zenabis will receive a notice of default, and it's alleged that Sundial was simply trying to take it over. The company would end up finding another source of credit so that it could refinance the debt Sundial held. And then this month, news broke that Hexo, ticker symbol HEXO, would be acquiring Zenabis for 235 million Canadian dollars. So Sundial was trying to take over Zenabis, and Hexo ended up getting it. It ended up getting their feet in the water. And that still could be good for Sundial. I'm actually still happy that they didn't get the deal, because a lot of people would want to be, they'd have been buying the rumor and then selling the news, and that would have caused Sundial to crash back down to the cents range probably. So this could be good for the Sundial investors, whether y'all know it or not. But the way the way the stock market is trading right now, from, just like Apple, they blew earnings out of the water, but you see they trading at about 120, fell from 140. That's because just because you hear good news, just because good articles and all this good stuff, that don't mean nothing. You play by price action. You feel me? So let's look into it though, y'all. So now let's see what the analysts got a target on Sundial grower at. The 5 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Sundial growers have a median target of 40 cents with a high estimate of 80 cents and a low estimate of 30 cents. The median estimate represents a negative 70% decrease from the last price of 134. So they think this thing is overvalued, obviously, from at $1.34. They think it's way overvalued. So let's see what their pocket's doing. I told y'all they like to hate on these companies in public, but they be buying them in private. So let's check it out. Institutional ownership, 1.1%. Increased positions, 14.4 million shares. Decreased position, 19.9 million shares. Held position, 16.2 million shares. Total institutional shares, 18.1 million. New positions, 3.1 million. Sold out positions, 19.8 million. So obviously, by their price target in their pockets, they obviously not really hating on the company. They not really too much involved in this company. So, but like I told y'all, don't let my decision, don't let none of that dictate on what you do at the end of the day. You your executive, I'm my executive. You feel me? So we just come together put all our homework. You doing your homework, looking at what they got going on. We doing our homework, looking at what I got going on. We're gonna put all that good stuff together to make our decision, because we the executive. You feel me? So let's carry on. So now let's check out the chart, y'all. Right here on the chart, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up for y'all. So you see right here, we got a strong support at that 132. 132. We hit 132. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We hit 132 7 times on Friday, and every time we hit it, we bounce back up and retest it, I mean, we hit 132, bounce back up to 135, 133, 130, anything other than 132, you bounce higher. And then you bounce back down to 132 and you bounce right back up. You feel me? So that we help. I'm trying to just explain to the ones that don't know what a strong support line is. So that strong support on 132 is basically every time we hit 132, we didn't go no lower. We bounced right back up. Even though it didn't go to the moon or nothing, it's still, it's holding 132 strong. So anyways, next what I want to show y'all on the chart is if we break 132. Now on Friday that we've been holding 132 so strongly, if we break it, I want to show y'all where we could go as far as on the downtrend, where it could fall to possibly before it rip back up to the moon. So in the next chart, we got February the 5th at 113. We got a nice support at 113. If it break 131, we could possibly see 113s, 113, 114 area before we see another rip. And once we see for the upside, we'll have to break 146. Once you see 146 being broken, get ready for a major move to the upside. Once 146 is broken, we're going to go retest that 163 from right here on February the 25th. We're going to retest that 163. And once we break that 163, we're going straight to $2. Ain't nothing holding you back from there. You're going straight to 208 to be more specifically. You're going to 208. And once you get to 208, that's when the fun begins. That's when we only one step away from testing what we hit on February the 10th, which is 295. You're only one step away from testing that. After you get to 208, you'll test 295, retest that high, and then we can bust through that and go straight to 5. And you know what happens when you get to 5. That's when the big boys start getting in, the institutions and all that. So you already know. That's all I got for y'all this video though. That's the update, stock prediction on Sundial growers. If you like these type of updates, these type of prediction, you already know you found the right spot. Consider joining the family. And it's your boy B Hayes. You already know. We out, y'all. God bless.